Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to crochet a small butterfly. This is a perfect project that every beginner can make. It will take just a couple of minutes to complete it, and I will show you easy and step-by-step process. So if you are looking on how to crochet something simple, this is a perfect thing to start with. So let's start by making a magic ring. For magic ring, take your yarn and roll it over your finger to create a loop. Then let's make a hook and put it inside the loop. Pull the yarn through. It should look like a chain stitch, and make one slip stitch to fix your loop. This is the magic ring. We will adjust it later to make it small like this. Okay, let's start with making a chain of 6 stitches, chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Done. This is the top part of the butterfly wing. Then make 1 double treble crochet. In this case, you have 3 loops on the hook, and you need to pull yarn through 4 times. 1, 2, 3, 4. Ready. Then make 1 treble crochet. In this case, you have 2 loops on your hook. 1, and you pull in the yarn through the loops 3 times. 1, and make 1 more. 1 treble crochet. 1, 2, 3. Nice. Then make 1 double crochet. Perfect. Chain of 2. 1, 2, and make 1 single crochet. Ready. We completed 1 part of the wing. Let's continue. Make the chain of 2 stitches. 1, 2. Make 1 double crochet. Then 1 treble crochet. And finish by the chain of 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3, and 1 single crochet. Pulling the yarn through the loop. Now we have the half of the butterfly ready. You can make the double and treble crochet more tighter in your loop. And let's continue. Make a chain of 3 stitches. 1, 2, 3. Make 1 treble crochet. Remember, in treble crochet, you have 2 loops on your hook. 1, 2, 3. But you pull in the yarn through 3 times. Then followed by 1 double crochet, 1 loop on your hook, and pull the yarn through 2 times. and finish by 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, and 1 single crochet, pulling the yarn through the loop. Perfect. Make your double and treble crochet tighter together. So now only the bigger part of the right ring is remained. Let's start. Start by making 2 chain stitches, 1, 2, followed by 1 double crochet, then make 2 treble crochet, 1, 2, and finish by 1 double treble crochet. In this case, remember, you have 3 loops on your hook. Almost done. Let's finish the butterfly by the chain of 6 stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and 1 single crochet, I would also make chain of 1. To complete, let's find the yarn from the magic ring and pull it to make the center of a butterfly tight. Don't be afraid to make it super tight and to pull it strongly, right? And now we just finish our work by hiding this yarn. First, let's cut the yarn. Then you can make 1 knot. Then to hide this yarn, we will go under this circle. I take a smaller hook and I go under this loops here. Take the yarn and pull it through. Perfect. Now we can cut it. See, the end is not visible at all. Let's do the same exercise with this part. Go under this loops and pull the yarn through. Cut the remaining part. distribute your double and treble crochet evenly so it gets symmetrical. And so let's make the last part is these two beautiful antennas. You can leave it as it is, of course, or add them. So start by cutting a piece of yarn. Make sure it's enough to make 2 knots in the end. Then pull one end of the yarn into the hole and make a knot, a tight knot. Done. It should look like this. Then take the ends of your antennas and make the knots in the end of each. Yeah, this length will be okay. I'll do the same here. Done. And let's cut the ends. Our butterfly is ready. In the next video, I'm going to show you how to make this simple to crochet flower. Follow me to not miss the video. Thank you for watching. Bye.